What's going on, guys? I'm just gonna make a short video tonight about the pit bike. Everybody's asking exactly what tire size, so we're gonna go over that and keep it short and sweet. So these are Pirellis. You guys aren't probably gonna be able to see a whole lot of this, but they're Pirellis. They are Diablo scooter, and this rear tire is actually the front tire of a scooter, and they are 120-70-12 inches in the back, 51S, tubeless, but there are tubes in these tires. I had the people mount them with tubes. And the front is also a scooter tire, and it is a 100-90-14. And this is a rear tire. Tubeless, but again, there's a tube. Pirelli. Diablo scooter. So there you go. Question answered. Thanks for tuning in, guys.